sir. My name is Gloria Rivera, Filipino, 34 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. I am married. I have 2 children. My husband works as a security guard. I have 2 brothers and 3 sisters, and I am the second in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Gloria. How are you right now?
Good day, sir, madam. I'm fine, thank you.
What are the advantages of the employers if they will hire you?
I am honest, kind, patient, hardworking, and responsible.
So can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of children?
By giving them a proper food, taking a bath, giving them a medicine if necessarily, give vitamins, and loving them and play them as my own children.
So what if you commit mistakes? What to do?
I will ask for apology by saying sorry and promise not to do that again, sir, madam.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me. I will promise I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract, sir, madam.
Thank you, Miss Gloria, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.